What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa. Today, we are staying at the Hotel Nikko Osaka. And let me tell you guys, this is probably the best room I stayed in Japan. Now let's take a look. So you have this crazy long sofa. Can you believe this? There's a sofa going through the whole room. It's crazy. And look at this. It's 2 queen-size beds that we push together so it becomes a huge, like, double king bed. It's crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can jump, baby. Go jump here. And then if you take a look over here, you have a nice TV, very good size. And then you have a space here. You could put some more luggage or storage. You have a nice table right here so you can, have a snack or do some work. Look at this, guys. I stayed in a lot of hotels, but this is nice. So you have a Nespresso machine. Very nice. You have a hot water machine right here. And then, okay, you have 4 cups. Let's see the mini bar. Okay, very standard mini bar. You have your safe right here. And then look at all this space for luggage. And let me tell you, you might think, oh, this is so tiny. No, this is not tiny because look how many luggage we have. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 big check-in luggage and then we have 2 more small carry-ons. It can fit in this whole area right here. And if you need more space, you could put more down right here. Okay, guys. You can also put another luggage in here also. All right, you could put all your dirty laundry or whatever up there. Now let me guys show you this. This is crazy. This bathroom, look at this bathroom. Double sink. Can you see that? Double sinks. And then you have all the soap that you need. Shampoo, conditioner, body soap. You have all the little things that you need right here. You have a hairbrush, toothbrush, shower cap. You got some more hand lotion over here. Look at all these towels. There's so many towels here. They are so generous with the towels. You see this right here? This is an official makeup area for the ladies. You see, this is not, cramped space or whatever, or you're sharing the desk in the room. No, this is a designated official makeup area. Let's go into the bathroom. Look at this bathroom. Full-size tub. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. This is not a small bathroom. This is a huge bathroom for Japan standards. This is really, really, really huge bathroom. See, you can put all your makeup and toiletry stuff all here. And look at this huge. You see, if you've been to Japan, you know Japan bathrooms are so tiny. You can't extend your arms. Look at this. See how much space you have everywhere? This is like a Cancun bathroom right here. Okay. And then you have a separate place for you to go the toilet. Someone can be taking a shower or taking a bath. And then if you really need to go to the bathroom, then you have your bathroom time right here. So that's it, guys. I'll see you later. This is the view. Look at this, guys. At the end of every side of the bed, there's a plug right there so you can just plug in your phone or your laptop.